Hello everyone. Welcome to this week's breathing break. My name is Angela with Be Kind, You're Divine, and I am here today in my back courtyard, just exploring nature and connecting with all these beautiful plants, some feathers, and just being in the space of receiving and relaxing. So a lot of things have been going on, storms coming through. That's now over. Here at least we didn't have much damage, but my heart and my love and just positive energy goes out to all of those that were so affected by Hurricane Ian. Just hoping that relief efforts come quickly and rebuilding and just being in a space of kind of understanding Mother Nature and accepting what comes with those events. So I was trying to figure out what to talk about today, or kind of a theme. I try to have a theme every week and it seems to just come out as I do this video. But for this week's breathing break, it's really, for me, it really is about connecting with nature and starting anew. So these feathers reminded me as I walked back here today to get ready to shoot this video. They are, they are so new, like new baby bird feathers. And these are from the peacock. So they run around the neighborhood here, and it's really a beautiful place. I'm very grateful to have the opportunity to live here and connect with all of this nature, the beauty of these little baby feathers. So I invite you to connect with me to nature. So if you do have anything outside, any place outside where you sit, or if you can go for a walk, I invite you to do that today. So we're going to start with some cleansing breaths and then go into a short breathing meditation. So let's start with our breath in through our nose and exhale through our mouth. This is how I start it every time. So breathe in and sigh. Breathe in again. And one more time, breathe in. If you feel called to close your eyes, if you want to keep your eyes open, it is completely up to you. It's just starting to lengthen your breath. I always like to place the hand on my heart. That connects me to my heart, my mind to my heart, so I have that heart-brain coherence. And just lengthening your breath. Telling your body that it is safe to relax. And if you're unsure, this is your first time joining me, you can always count 4 in on the inhale. Count to 4. Hold for 4. Exhale to 4 and hold out for 4. And then repeat. And just inviting you as the world goes by to stop and be and connect with your breath. And I will lead you in a short meditation while we do this. Lengthening your breath, allowing your body to relax. And picturing beautiful baby feathers like the ones we have here, floating down, floating in the sky. Just all the new life, the new beginnings starting. Even allowing your body to relax into your chair, to relax onto the ground, wherever you may be. If you're outside, looking around, appreciating the wonder of nature, just connecting with nature. Even the little mosquito that was just biting me, I just brushed him off. Yeah, so connecting, being in one, being in harmony with nature. Allowing yourself to connect with that essence of the plants, the sun, the rain, the snow, whatever you may see outside right now. The mosquitoes, just allowing yourself to be one with nature. Be one with the palm trees, the pine trees, the oceans, the lakes, the rivers, whatever you have near your home. Knowing that we're all connected, we're all here on this journey together. Being at peace in your body on this planet we call Earth. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Yeah. Just allowing your body to do whatever it needs to do. To be comfortable, to relax, to melt into the floor of the chair, to be connected. You are beautiful, you are enough, you are so worthy. This is your day, it's a new day to feel love for yourself. Allow life to move by you like the plane overhead right now. Just let life move on without you and take a moment to breathe and connect with nature. You feel like give yourself a hug. Hug. Everything is okay. Everything is more than okay. Everything will be okay. It already is okay. You are perfectly fine the way you are. You are right where you need to be. I know lots of messages coming through today. Just connecting to that nature piece. That's the big part of today's message is nature and connecting with nature. So if you have not been outside yet today, I invite you to go outside. And if it's not too cold, take your shoes off and touch the ground with your feet, your bare feet. And just connect and stand and breathe. So let's breathe in and exhale. One more time, breathing in And exhale. Inviting you to connect with nature today. So go outside and see if you can find some feathers or even a rock that is attractive to you, you know, like something fun, something different, even a piece of mulch or a blade of grass. Just connect with that piece, that element of nature to help you through the rest of your week. And we are in October already, so here we go. Right into fall, and I am so happy that you joined me today, and thank yourself for taking time for you. And always remember to be kind to yourself first and put yourself first in these situations where you just need to take a break. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Sending you on your way, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Love.